All right, what's going on YouTube? Today we got a few packages, and yes, this is the barbershop for what it is right now. This is my area right here. So, y'all, I'm tired. I just cut 21 people today. Just a normal day. Tired. But we about to get this content in for y'all. But it's a shop, man. Shop is in a fire location and everything. We just put these lights up. Love these lights. A little bit different. Every single station gonna have these X's. We're gonna add more lights in the future. Obviously, all this stuff not gonna be on the ground and stuff like that. Yo, content. This how much light and content take. But obviously we gonna wind up putting this on the wall. I do like the ring lights on the wall. I don't know why people are so against the ring lights on the wall. But me, I'm a big fan of ring lights on the wall, and we will add more lights up top. Obviously, these lights just look fantastic. We're gonna put a. We're just gonna leave that for the future. But we got some exclusive clippers that just came in. And we just gonna get into a little clipper review on some stuff. So let's get it. Yeah, we're just gonna do a quick tutorial. Well, not quick tutorial, but a quick breakdown of what I got. So boom, the first clippers that I got with these clippers right here is boom, the Tune 45 set. Look, they're coming out the box. But the Tune 45 set, man, these clippers are amazing. First, we're gonna do the trimmers. I'm gonna let y'all get all this, read all this real quick. 2-year warranty. I like that. 2-year warranty. Let y'all read all this. You can pause the video, read the bag. New deep tube metal injection molded MIM T-blade. Whatever that means, just know that these are fire. So basically, y'all can pause this, read all this. And we're just gonna get into the box real quick. See what it comes with. Short little tutorial. I like this on this side. If y'all can see. Real nice package. I love this black and green color that they had there. And I just love the way that it's kind of built. So look at this. I did order these from not exactly Babeless, but somebody else. And I got them customized. But this is a beautiful. Hold on, let me see if I can focus on it. Look at the blade. This is a beautiful clipper, y'all. This is a beautiful clipper, and this thing is my go-to every single day now. It's insane. 14%. I've been using these like crazy. Y'all, I don't feel like I don't. And they have a a fast and slow motor with these. Fast, well, slow and then fast. I want to say fast is to setting your lineups or your neck lineups and whatnot, mustache lineups, and slower speeds. What I typically use them for, my slower speeds is for let me turn on the fast. But my slower speed is slower, you know, my slower mode. The thing that I use my slower mode for is the and we're gonna kind of remove the box. But what I use the slower mode for is basically like, like that harsh guideline that you would put in, that ball guideline that you would put in to start like a blend or a fade. That's what I would typically use it for. And basically what comes in a box. Yep. Everything falling, y'all. And we're doing it on a barber chair. I don't have my desk here, which I will be bringing my desk to the shop, having like a little private office. But basically, charger, boom. No stand, unfortunately, but I'm pretty sure you can buy. That's why they have all these other products like the Tone 45 like stand. It's like a long giant stand, and I have the mat, which I will show you what they look like on the mat. But basically the same basically the same charger that your iPhone takes. Well, I know my iPhone, I have an iPhone 16. Your lubricant, screwdriver. Is that two screws? That's one screwdriver. One screwdriver. Don't know what this attachment is, but I'm pretty sure this goes to the trimmer if it breaks. And a little booklet pamphlet. So we're gonna put all that back in there for y'all. And then we have these bad boys. These are the clippers, basically. Same exact thing in the box. Let y'all take a quick look at that. Quick look at the box on the outside. Y'all can pause it, read it. These work amazing too, y'all. I have YouTube. I've already used these. These are fire. The whole set. I've been wanting these for the longest, but I'm just kind of getting my hands on them. I've been doing a lot, trying to open up the barbershop and whatnot. And man, barbershop is a lot of money. Don't think that open up your own barbershop that it will be cheap. It's a lot of money. Look at these. Y'all hear that? Watch this. Low speed. I'm about to turn on the high speed. Yo, these, it must be raining outside, but these are very, very good. Has a click lever system. Very, very good. This click lever system feels amazing, man. It feels so good in hand. The trimmers, with the trimmers, it kind of tripped me out, like it being on the back side, which I'm about to show y'all. These trimmers right here. So usually, I'm so used to trimmers, I'll be flipping in my hand like this while I'm, I'll be going to a different part of the client's head, flipping the clippers like this, and then boom, I'll end up on this side instead of this side. But it's meant so you could just place it on the charging pad and it just get the charging. You can always have it like this. You don't have to pick it up like this unless you clean underneath somebody's neck or, anything like that. But you can just keep your trimmers like this. There's no need to face it like this for real. But everything feels amazing about these two, about this whole entire product. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna let y'all look at this a little bit more. Click lever system, 5 notches. This is considered 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yo, I messed that up. I'm leaving this in the video. My click lever system not all the way tightened up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Y'all, it's something. I'm pretty sure it's 5. It's 5. Man, this is a sexy clipper. T45. Chris Bossier and all of them. Everybody at T45. They did fire with their clippers. But yeah, these are good for everyday use. I use these every single day. And I'm about to show y'all what they look like on the charging pad. Yeah, we're just gonna treat this like a little vlog. We're gonna stop. I'm using my chair, my barber chair for this. Y'all, I got the bless mats. Boom, we're gonna zoom on that. Bless. Jesus is Lord, brother. But look, this is what they look like. I have to clean off my pad a little bit, but you have to buy a separate pad. Basically, this pad comes in separate and just goes into the hole. But I have to wipe down my pad. It's been a decent week. And basically what you do is you take it off. It charges by yourself. So it's inconvenient. I mean, it's convenient to have this. And look at this. It also comes with a regular charging port and a USB-C. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. And then boom. They have this little indent and you get it to the indent. And once it's on there, y'all. And it's good in charging and you won't have to worry about it. You could go grab another babyless clipper or whatever, and just do what you got to do until these finish charging. So yeah, these are the T45 trimmer and clipper set. I love these. They're very good. I recommend them. But yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this short little video on this short review. Stick tuned, stay in tune, stay in contact with the content, because I have videos with me using this very trimmer and clipper coming soon. I just want to drop this short tutorial first, or this first kind of review on them and kind of what I think about them. But yeah, y'all gonna see these get to work on my page a lot. So let's get it.
Benny, please don't do anything crazy.